So this is gonna be my new bike. Alright guys, what is up? I'm wearing the wrong beat.
No, you're not.
Oh, I'm not. Okay. So, what is up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Before you watch this vlog, stop.
Drop.
Pause the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Hit those two buttons, please. And yeah. So, today we are going.
Not to my face.
You guys saw us ice skating last time. But today we're going ice skating again. But this time we're at a different place. And then after that, we're gonna go to Chaparral.
Oh, world.
It's my favorite store.
I mean, I
in the
like it
whole
better
world.
than Toys R Us, though.
Really?
Yeah.
So you can sit on dirt bikes?
Yeah.
Sick. We brought our gloves because dang, that ice is cold on your hands. But right now, it went from rainy to hot and sunny. Like California or Corona, you're just kind of weird right now.
This guy's killing it. Dude, look at that. You gotta learn that.
What?
You gotta learn that.
Tell me you're joking, right?
Oh.
Ballerina and ice skating. Fine. Banana and
He's spilling in what?
whoa! That was like a cork, but not.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Oh my god. Rocco.
That's me, because I don't get dizzy.
You're running from me? I look like you.
That should be a sport, running and ice skating.
Heck no, that'd hurt your ankles.
How to break your ankles?
Break your ankles. Hey, don't break your ankles.
It's kind of slippery.
Oh. Oh. Oh god.
This is slippery.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. Try going in the middle. Oh god.
There's no grip.
She's doing it. How are they doing it? We can't. What the heck? Oh, shit.
Dude, I can't stop, but I can't go.
Step up your game. Oh. Oh, there you go. Yeah, kill it. Kill it. You got it. Oh. Oh. Rocky, you make me so nervous.
How do hockey players play on this? Like, this is actually a hockey player rink.
Uh-huh.
How?
How do you scooter so good? Ooh. You can be like a pro ice skater now. You're like a pro now. Oh, never mind. She gave it a clap. She approves. She approves. Oh, there it is. You're like a break dancing ice skater. Ooh.
That was sick.
Look at you, little ballerina.
What up? What up?
Huh. Ooh. All right, fresh ice. Let's go. hang of Rocco. Rocco just learned a new trick. Oh, he was just doing it so good. Ooh. Nice. Rocco's killing it out here. Oh my, every time you get on camera. Woo! Look at, there's no wheels on them, but he can do it. That was sick. Oh. Dang, bro.
I'm fast getting up.
Yeah, you are.
Because I don't like the cold.
Oh, feel how warm it is outside. The camera's like all foggy because of how cold it was in there. Ugh. We're finally out of that cold and made it to Chaparral. He had to change shirts. His shirt was all wet. There's so many KTMs.
65.
What's up? Hi. This is what you have right now, right?
This is what I have right now, but I just
Seriously?
have all the rings and bells.
Why does it look so small? That looks so tiny on you.
Mine is like, I don't know.
That's a 65?
Yeah.
That's the one you're getting?
So this is gonna be my new bike.
Dang, that's
All the way
sweet.
down. All the way down is first gear. Half up is neutral.
Are you doing it over there?
Yeah.
You look good on that bike. I'm not gonna lie. You look really good on that bike.
If I'm gonna race this bike, I just need some I just need some spools.
So now you're gonna show me the bike I need? Okay.
You probably need this.
You think that's what I need?
Here.
I feel like I have a lot of power. Like, I feel like I have a lot of power. Like, this is scary power. Like, being on your little bike.
Compared to this.
And then being on a, like, not a real, but like.
I bet you I can touch. Watch.
Oh, I could touch though. That's good, right?
Yeah, but you see that pipe? That's called a 2-stroke. And you need a 4-stroke.
Okay. Yeah, you can touch. If you're like that.
Okay, I'll try sit on a 450 if you're good. This is a 4-stroke.
Okay, let's see. It's bigger than you.
Just tell me when you need help. Can you touch?
No, I cannot touch.
Lean it on only one foot.
I am.
That's a KX 450.
No, I'd go with the other one.
100?
Yeah, this is way
Alright.
too big. I think if I rode dirt bikes, that would be my gear up there.
Where?
The one right there. I'd have that blue and pink and black right there.
Oh.
That would
That's
be
for
my
trail
gear.
riding.
Either that or I'd have the one right next to it that's pink and black. I would have to agree, that is pretty cool gear. I like that. There, so we can always see you.
Okay, Claudius.
I think this shirt fits you.
Okay, baby.
That is a tiny shirt. That's pretty cool. That's a street bike you want?
Yeah. I don't want to touch it. I guess I do not sit on it. But I don't even want to touch it.
So yeah, you go look at dirt bikes and check everything out. I'm gonna be right here. You do your thing.
I'm done. It's $4,399.
For that 65?
Yeah, 65.
I literally sat here this whole time and waited for you. I got worried for a minute. I was gonna go look for you.
Yeah.
Don't you want a 16, not a 17?
17.
Not the 17?
I don't care what people say, I'm getting it. 65 is 65.